Hello guys, if you're getting the Cannot Verify AirPods issue on your iPhone, then this video will help you fix it. This problem happens when your AirPods are not authentic or if the iPhone does not recognize your AirPods as authentic devices for some reason. To get around this problem, you can try out this solution. So, bring your iPhone and AirPods close, and then your AirPods in pairing mode by holding the button in its back or by tapping right below its LED sensor in the front depending on your AirPod model. The connecting pop-up should now show up. When the pop-up shows and tells you Cannot Verify AirPods, just tap on Connect in Bluetooth settings. In the devices section, you should be able to find the AirPod, so just tap on it and connect with it. Once you try to connect, you may get another pop-up saying Cannot Verify AirPods. Just tap Connect anyway, and you should be able to connect right away. If you don't get connected right away, just tap on the AirPods name again, and this time you should be connected. This message is actually a security feature set by Apple to warn you about fake AirPod devices. It was introduced from iOS 16 and has been an evolving feature in the iOS. But now you know how to get around this message and connect to your AirPods. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and practical fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.